Good afternoon, guys. Today we're going to be covering a 2019 Nissan Altima. As you can see, the Altima just got a redesign this year. Brand new body style, brand new engine as well. It's going to be the same 2.5 base 4-cylinder engine that we had before, equipped with our CVT transmission. Some new features on the vehicle is it does have a lot of safety equipment as far as the emergency front braking system, blind spot monitor, and the rear cross traffic alert. The car is equipped with a backup camera and sonar sensors for the back as well. Some of the extra safety features that are included in the emergency front braking system are going to be pedestrian detection and intelligent forward collision. Both these features right here are going to extend the radar of your sensor and watch out for pedestrians, of course. Now, as far as the inside of the vehicle, it also got switched up. We have a flat base steering wheel now with a telescopic moving, a brand new 8-inch screen. The car does offer dual climate control as well as seat warmers and a steering wheel warmer. It is a push to start now with Nissan Intelligent Key. Back seats are going to be spacious as well. Another nice feature that's equipped in the brand new 2019 Altima is going to be 2 back AC vents as well as 2 back USB ports. Nowadays, we all need to charge our phone. Everywhere we go, we need to have our cell phone on us. Get another quick view of the front. The trunk space of the Altima was indeed fixed as well. You have a lot more space, does come with this net, and the seats do fold in a 40-60 split. So that was just a quick glance at a 2019 Nissan Altima. This is the SV trim level, which gives you some of the nicer features. For any more questions, concerns, or if you want a full list of all the features, please contact me at Nissan of Tustin at 714-900-5864. Thank you. Have a great day.